Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, in this video I want to give you a chart prediction, price prediction for Ethereum based on the currency US dollar. Give you all the price levels here to the up and to the downside and why I think we have here a very strong uptrend for Ethereum. I show you how to trade this currency here if you are not a long-term holder. And of course, everything what I say here is not financial advice. This is my experience based on the chart and based on my trading history, guys. So when we start here with the chart, I want to show you here really quick why we could see here $5,000 and more incoming for Ethereum, why we have now here a very, very strong technical situation which is in favor for a squeeze, guys. So when we start with the chart here, it's very simple to read, not that much drawings. Then we can see that Ethereum is trading here in a so-called uptrend channel pattern. What is that, guys? An uptrend channel pattern is supporting the price. You have just two significant price level lines. Yes, there is something like a 50% area here in the middle. You can see this slightly line here in the middle, but usually we talk here about the top of this trend channel pattern and the bottom of this trend channel pattern. What we have now for Bitcoin in reversal, Bitcoin is doing exactly the opposite thing to the downside. We have this here for Ethereum to the upside, and that means that we're trading here exactly more or less very, very close to the trend channel bottom, and that is, in my opinion, not financial advice, a very, very good and strong buying liquidity zone because the price gets supported here. And yeah, every time when we hit here the bottom, we see some technical reactions to the upside. When we hit the top, we see a rejection here, exactly what we had here and here two times. So that means right now the actual price here of $2,420 is in favor for the bulls. So I will give you here all the price levels and show you, of course, what we have here in detail. So when we zoom in, guys, then we can see that Ethereum is having a liquidity zone here in favor for the bulls between, I would say $2,300 and $1,920. Here is the support of the price. As I said, usually the bottom of this trend channel is supporting here the price action in favor for the bulls. But when we see where the accumulation happened here before for this currency, then I think here everything between, for right now, based on the actual chart pattern, $2,300 and $1,900 is a good buy-in liquidity zone here for this currency, guys. Yeah, usually I talk here about short squeeze stocks on my channel. Why, guys? Because I love to trade short squeeze stocks. We have a lot of indicators and events for stocks which help us to identify squeezes. If you're new to my channel, guys, I upload here every week, every Sunday, my so-called hot stock. So a brand new video will be released very, very soon today. And if you see those videos, these tickers here, which I show in these videos, have high squeeze potential. They follow the same rules like Ethereum does. Yeah, we have a lot of trend channel patterns here, or trend channel setups. And just this week, guys, I predicted two squeezes. One here directly after my video release, this ticker started to squeeze 101%. And the next one just one day later, I can show you that really quick. Also here, 2 days after my video release, squeezed in total 236%. I will show you, of course, also the squeeze price levels for Ethereum, but if you also open to trade short squeeze stocks, if you're interested in that, there is a lot of potential in the market. We had here in September, one of my biggest squeezes was 1,400% in 3 trading days, guys. So it is possible to predict squeezes if you're open to that. If you also want to trade short squeeze stocks, you can, of course, join in here our trading community. I show you that really quick, guys. We have the Elite Circle membership on YouTube where you get access to all my member videos and the so-called hot stock videos. And the much more popular membership here is the full package membership on Patreon. We have also much more members here. Why is this more popular? Because I have also here all the member videos, the hot stock videos, and in addition my trading alerts. Also the trading alerts are very simple screenshots here for additional tickers, where I show buy-in liquidity zones, exit price levels, stop loss price levels. And this is just one example where we had also here a squeeze immediately after my post of 218%. So we have a lot of opportunities in the market, guys. Nothing is guaranteed, of course, but you can predict squeezes when you know how to read the charts. And if you want to see these short squeeze plays, you can join in here the communities, guys. The links to our memberships are here in the video description. Yeah, guys, as I said before, in my opinion, also based on the technicals, we have here a very, very good chance to see something like a squeeze for Ethereum. So when we talk here about a normal algo pump, then we have here a liquidity range or a volatility range of 90 to 100%, depending of course on the day. You can see that we usually don't see massive short squeezes in one day, like we have for example here for our stocks, but that doesn't mean that Ethereum cannot squeeze and even short squeeze. So what needs to happen to see a short squeeze here for Ethereum? In my opinion, $3,514 is one of the make it or break it price levels here to the upside. So when we see a price over $3,500, that could trigger a squeeze, and you can see that we had here the all-time high at $4,868. In my opinion, guys, as long as the algos stay in control, we will just bounce here, up and down this trend channel pattern. So we will not see a squeeze over this price range or even a new all-time high. But what I think, and I will show you that when we make here a very simple Fibonacci retracement, an inverted retracement here, we can see that the price gets supported here at $2,000 here is, or $2,100 here is a strong support. What has been our resistance here in the past is our support right now. It got retested here once, almost twice, so we cannot lose that support here. When we drop below $1,940, guys, that would be not bullish, so be very careful. Set your stop loss if you want. This is what I will do here, but you can see that everything below $1,920 is in favor for the bears, guys. But if we break this price level and if we can squeeze out of this trend channel pattern here, then the next price target for Ethereum is $5,326 or even $6,487 is possible here. You can see all the price levels here to the upside. This is of course in the long term, guys. As I said before, when we just see what Ethereum is doing here in the past, we have of course a very strong uptrend pattern, and of course much higher prices are possible, but we have to move in waves. The market is moving in waves. It doesn't matter if we talk about crypto or stocks, guys. Everything is moving in waves, and everything what shoots up really quick comes down really quick. You can see that here we had this massive squeeze reaction here for Ethereum, and boom, a massive sell-off was the reaction. This is absolute normal. So what we want to like to see is that we have this kind of waves here in the market, and this trend channel pattern here is a very, very good indicator where the actual support is waiting and where the resistance. So why do I like this pattern right now is if we see here a squeeze back to the top of this trend channel, then we also have here, you can see latest here in July 2025, this, let's call it 50% mark, the middle of this trend channel pattern will be above $3,500. So if we cannot see a squeeze before, we have a very, very good chance to squeeze with Ethereum here back to $5,000 or even higher. This is what the chart is telling us, not a financial advice, guys. I don't want to talk here about the bear scenario right now. As I said, as long as we don't drop below $1,918, in my opinion, this is everything bullish here. And based on the technicals here, I want to show you, of course, really quick here, the indicator setup here. The RSI is a very good indicator for trading here Ethereum. You can see every time when we have here this oversold situation, we have some pumps. Same here, big pump, and we just came back right now with a reaction here. So I think Ethereum is on the edge to do here the next big move to the upside, guys. Guys, if this video is helpful for you, if you don't want to miss any updates, or if you also want to see my short squeeze stocks, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to copy the price levels here from the chart, this is everything based here on Tradingview. I can show you that really quick here. The next price level, which I think in favor for a squeeze, is here in the $5,300 range, and as I said, $1,918 is the last point of support before it could turn very, very bearish here, and the trend channel top is waiting here a little bit above $4,150 and higher. If you want to copy the price levels, this is everything here based on Tradingview. I'm not sponsored by Tradingview, guys, but I use that program here for all my videos and since many, many years for all my trades. If you really want to learn trading, if you want to understand how the algos are moving, I can just recommend that program. You can also see my Bitcoin videos. It is so easy to trade Bitcoin right now and make profit. Even the price is literally going down or is in an accumulation phase. So if you want to get that program, guys, you can use here my discount link in the video description. If you use that link, you save $15, and I always recommend the premium tier here. This is the best value for your money and good for beginners. and advanced trader. Yeah, guys, don't forget to check out my hot stocks. Brand new video will be released very, very soon. I thank you so much for watching. Wish you a nice day and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute, viel Erfolg beim Traden und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.